Hey, what's up everybody?
Welcome back.
We're back with another unboxing video. This is another one of our first in our new place. We have moved, that's why we haven't done a video in a while.
Yeah.
So we're going to unbox a microwave. I don't know what kind of microwave, I don't know where it came from. I didn't order it. My wife did, so we're going to open it up and see what kind it is and where it came from.
Yeah. Now, but before we even get started, viewer discretion with knives. So if you're, don't use a knife. Don't. Unless you're trained in order to use one. We don't want you getting hurt out there.
Sure, many people use knives.
Well, there's kids and they use it.
Okay.
Just be careful.
Maybe young, I think you're right.
Yeah, okay. We'll put it out. Alrighty then.
Silex too.
Well,
first of all, where did this come from? This came from
Target.
Target. Okay, so we know.
So another cheap retail store.
I'm sure it wasn't. I'm sure it's this thing came from
Yes, sit down.
as some people call it Target today. So it's a very high quality microwave.
Okay, right?
No, I'm not being childish and talking silly things.
Toss it
Really. All right, so you take it out now.
All right, ready?
One.
All right. So this is the Proctor Silex
No, Proctor and Silex.
microwave.
Oh, microwave. Oh, very nice. No. Okay. Let me take the styrofoam. We're gonna get styrofoam everywhere. I don't need styrofoam all over the floor.
Whoa. Here we have a bunch of plastic.
Let me pull this out. And then you. Okay. Now this is one. Make a mess.
Let's clean this up a little bit.
Keep the paper. What paperwork is that?
That's the instruction.
Oh, no, they don't need that.
Alright.
So what do we got?
This is the microwave. The solid steel microwave.
Really? And you don't wonder why this is all steel. This is
Nope. Oh.
there's a plate on the inside and a turning ring.
It's the little plate.
Rings that you put on the inside and it spins around when you turn it on.
These are the instructions, but we don't care about instructions.
Yeah, we don't need no. You don't need no.
Which way? This way? Yeah.
Yes, that way. Oh, the roof facing that.
Perfect. And then
You take the tape off here because we don't want to leave it in the microwave when you're using it. Sure, the microwave is not a big deal, but we need a new one, so that's why.
yeah, the new house didn't have a microwave.
And we didn't take our old one, so.
Yeah.
I think that's
on the tape.
Yeah, I think that's not on the correct. Alright. So, just a regular microwave, nothing special. I mean,
Yeah.
there's some option on the popcorn, baked potato, beverage, frozen to pizza and reheat.
Yeah.
But nothing unusual, nothing special. It's just
It's not one of those high-tech microwaves
I just need something.
where it has a little camera on it and all that stuff.
Yeah.
It's just a classic microwave.
Yeah. So anyway, so I think that's gonna wrap up this unboxing video. We're just trying to do another quick video. If you guys like this video, give us a like.
And subscribe.
Until next time.